This is a question that a lot of students get wrong, but we can help, so we decided to shoot a video on it. In this question, the company did a 2-for-1 reverse split. This had an impact on the marketplace of its shares, which doubled from $1.50 to $3. It then asks how the book value would be affected. 3 nuggets of knowledge will make this question a snap and may help you with more potentially challenging questions on this concept. Nugget number 1, a reverse split is another name for consolidation. As we will learn in a moment, the stock consolidation has no impact on the answer to this question, but it could impact other questions, so it's worth mentioning. Nugget number 2, book value is another name for equity. You may not have noticed this during your readings, but if you missed it, getting this question right would be really tough. This is why it's so important to practice. It helps you pick up on things you may have missed. At this point, students are usually more familiar with the term equity than book value, so I'm going to change the question to say equity. This makes it so much simpler. Nugget number 3, know how to calculate equity. Equity is calculated on the statement of financial position by taking total assets and deducting total liabilities. Now, with a stock consolidation, the company's assets and liabilities are not changing. And that means the equity figure won't change either. So let's select the answer, no impact. And we are correct! I always say it's important to practice, right? Well, if instead of asking about total book value, this question asked about book value per common share, it would change the answer. A stock consolidation would have an impact in this case. If you divide the same amount of equity by a different number of shares, the result will obviously be different.